How to drift in Need for Speed. If you want to master the act of sliding, here's how to drift like a pro in Need for Speed on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. Make sure your controls are set to torque or tilt. You have to go to the settings and option, select controls and choose that suits your style. Build your speed, then approach a turn. Make sure you are going fast enough to trigger a drift. When you reach the corner, tap and hold the brake or drift button while turning. Your car will start to slide sideways. Use left and right controls to balance the drift. Don't oversteer, release the brake to exit smoothly. Try different cars and corners to master the drifting. The more you drift, the more style, point and reverse use on. And that's how you drift in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.